for calling Matt Fuller's recruiting line. I'm Matt's AI assistant.
Okay, so today our whole goal was to create an AI call agent. Now, really quickly, I just want to walk you through what tools we used. Now, I talked to ChatGPT a little bit to figure this out because I wanted a version that would obviously be free to use and easy to set up. I don't really know how to code that well or anything like that. And so it gave me these tools that all have free versions you can use. So the first thing we wanted to set up was called Twilio. This is where we're gonna buy our number but it gives you a free credit of $15. We went over here. I was able to get this number right here using the free credits, and I still have $14.35 left. After that, we need to go to this site called Vapi. This is where you're gonna actually create your agent, and it's gonna use ChatGPT in this scenario is what I used. Gonna talk in English, of course. And then this is the voice that we're using, which is called Adam, which I actually thought we were using a female earlier, but it must have changed, so that's okay. Basically, what I've prompted it to do is I have just gotten this job where I am finding doctors and trying to get them into hospitals in need. And it's basically trying to book meetings for me. Then for our next tool, we've used Calendly. When they're booking meetings, where are they gonna book these meetings? Well, they're gonna book them on Calendly. They're gonna book a 30-minute meeting. Obviously, our AI agent needs to have that capability to be able to actually book the meeting over the phone call. So we have our schedule on here. We don't have any availability actually till about June 10th. So after June 10th, it should know that we have availabilities for certain times. Then for the code part of it, as I said, I don't really code that often. So we use Cursor AI, and you can really just talk to it in plain English and it codes the entire thing. And so this is Cursor AI. We use that to create the entire code for us. And then from there, the only thing we really need to fill in is from each of these, we need to get certain environment variables, and we need to fill that into a file called .env. And this is going to be an example of what that may look like here. So for each of these apps I talked to you about, we're going to need to go in and we're going to need to find these variables and fill them in and save that file. The last step that we had is once it's all complete and ready, we're going to upload all these files to GitHub, which is going to store them publicly, right? Because there needs to be public access. It can't just be a file on our computer. So we upload it to GitHub. You go ahead and create an account, create a repository, and upload all those files here. And then from there, we are going to connect our GitHub to something called Railway. So once you connect GitHub to Railway, you'll go ahead and go to your variables, and then just make sure that all those environment variables I was telling you about are entered correctly here. After that's all done, you're going to have your first little example. So you can go ahead and take out your phone, which I'll do here right now, and we'll go ahead and give a call before we make any changes. Okay, so this is attempt number 1 calling our AI agent. So we've entered in the number 270-512-8722, and let's test it out.
You have a trial account. You can remove this message at any time by upgrading to a full account.
Okay.
Press any key to execute your code.
Thanks for calling Matt Fuller's recruiting line. I'm Matt's AI assistant. Matt Fuller recruits physicians for locums opportunities. How can I help you today?
Hey, I was looking to book a meeting possibly and learn a little bit more about locums.
Great! I can help you schedule a 30-minute introductory call with Matt Fuller to discuss locums opportunities. Could you please provide me with your full name, email address, and a preferred date for the meeting? If you have a specific time of day in mind, let me know that too.
Yeah, so my name is Matt Fuller. What's the earliest date you have available?
Hold on a sec. It looks like today is unavailable. Could you let me know the next date you'd like me to check for availability?
Yeah, can you check if you have any availability for June 11th?
Give me a moment. On June 11th, 2026, Matt has several available time slots for a 30-minute call. Here are a few options in Eastern Time. 9 a.m., 9:30 a.m.,
okay.
10 a.m., 10:30 a.m., 11 a.m. Do any of these times work for you, or would you like to get more options?
Let's do 9:30 a.m.
It seems there was an issue with booking the meeting due to a limitation with the scheduling system.
Okay.
I recommend trying to book directly through Matt's Calendly link. Would you like me to provide you with the link to schedule the meeting?
Yeah, that would be great.
You can schedule the meeting directly using this link. Schedule a meeting with Matt Fuller, https Calendly.com, Matthew Fuller, read 89, 30 min. Just select June 11th, 2026 and choose the 9:30 a.m. slot. If you encounter any issues, feel free to reach out again. Thank you.
All right, have a good rest of your day.
Thank you. You too, and best of luck with your locums journey. Take care.
All right, so attempt one, obviously something sticking out is it's not super conversational. He's not stopping when he's interrupted, so that's a problem. Also, our voice isn't working. It's supposed to be a female American woman, so that's not working. And then additionally, it's not able to actually set appointments yet. So those are things we're gonna have to fix, but that's attempt one, so it's not too bad. If you guys have any questions or if you found this video helpful at all, feel free to leave a like. Also comment if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer or help you through the process. If you guys want me to work on bettering this agent, leave that in the comments as well. I'd be happy to go ahead and make some improvements when it comes to all those things we mentioned earlier.